2x squared. Can you guys maybe tell me what the factors of 2x squared are? 1 and 2. So I think when Ernesto's saying 1, right? Ernesto, you're saying like 1x and 2x. Okay? Is there another way? What's the other way? 2 and 1? Yeah, you just flip them, right? Okay. That one doesn't matter too much. You can just flip it here. So let's just choose like this to be 2x and this one to be 1x. Okay? And then over to the right side, you look at factors for 3. So if you notice, I looked at factors for that first item and then the last one. Okay, what are factors of 3? 1 and 3. And then if you have a negative middle term, it should be -1, -3. Okay? Take a look at your middle term, that 5. Positive or negative? Positive. So most likely you're going to be using this one, right? Okay, so let's use it. Let's do some trial and error. Okay? So what do you guys think I should put on the top box? 3?
Yes.
And then 1 should go down there?
Yes.
Okay, so here's what we do. You multiply across. Okay, and what do you get from that? 2x. And then you multiply the 3 and the 1x. What do you get? 3x. Add them together. What is that? 5x. So we got 5x, right? So our middle term is good, yes? Okay, so how you arrange it is you go across. You see the 2x and the 3? You're going to put them together. 2x plus 3 times, you could do 1x or you could do x. It's okay. Plus 1. Okay? And that's it. Alright? Since this is the first one for the new lesson, I will check. Okay, so let's check the work. Do you guys have space? Or actually, if you don't have space, the empty space in the column that's next to it, right here. Can you just write the word check, and then we'll check it over there. Okay, so I'll move over. So it'll be check. Okay, so if I check, I'm multiplying what? 2x plus 3? And x plus 1, right? Okay, so how do we check? We multiply. Do you guys do it by the box method again?
Yes.
Okay, so do box method. This time, this box method is like 2x and plus 3 right here. And then x plus 1. So that very first box, what goes inside? 2x squared. Oh, I don't want that. And then the one to the right of it, 3x. Okay, bottom left, 2x, and then 3. I think I started putting the signs there because people get confused. Okay, so if it's positive, put the plus. If it's negative, put the negative, right? And then your like terms should be these two. And then how do you write them? Oh, Josh. She's not here today, so we're just doing it together. Okay, so when you write it, you should get 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. And that is back to square 1, right? Okay, so that means you did it right. Okay, and also for today's homework, I cut down the number of problems. But guess what? What do you think I'm going to say? What? No. I'm gonna make you guys check. Like, just do this. Okay? So I'll make you guys check. Yeah. Just check it. Because, you know why? You know why? Because when I go and look at your quizzes, things are very off. So we need to check, and if you get it wrong, you go back and you do it again. Okay? Alright, second one. You guys should help me out. Okay, what should I do first? 5m squared? Okay, factors for 5m squared? 1 and 5. So it's like m times 5m. Okay. That's it? Yeah? Okay, for the 6. 3 and 2. Or whoa, it's right there. -2, -3, or well, there's more just in case. 1 and 6, 1 and 6, and then -1, -6. Okay. Ernesto, what do you say the second one? What made you say that? They're both negative, and what? Well, why do I want both of them to be negative? -17. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I'll put 5m here, and I'll put m down there. Which one do you guys, Lucas? Why are you on your phone? I said Lucas. I don't know. Alright, which one do you guys want to put at the top? -3? Yes. And then at the bottom, -2. Okay, so let's check it. And I hope you guys are writing in pencil. Okay, if we multiply, 5m times -2 is -10m. The other one, -3 and m. -3m. Did we get -17? No. So, well, you don't need to check. That's the little check already. Okay. So why don't we flip those numbers? Why don't we put -2 up there, -3 down there? Check again. Yep. Yep. And then the other one. 2. Did we get -17? Yeah. Okay, so that one works. So what's our factors going to look like? 5m -2 times and -3. Okay. This one should be a little less confusing than what I showed you yesterday. Yeah, I know. Okay. Are you guys okay with this one?
Yeah.
You have any questions? Do you think you can try the next one on your own? Yeah? Okay, try it. Maybe before we try it, let's break up the factors together. So for 6y, what's your question? Yeah. Yeah. Has to. Oh, like this? It does not matter now. I can put it in any order I want. The arrangement of this will depend. Okay. So this one I just chose to put 2 and 3. I could have put 3 and 2.
I was talking about, you know how you had to put -2 on the top to make 17?
Yeah.
So does it always have to be the left number
No.
first?
No. Because you see this? If we follow that, then I would put M up here. Okay. So it just depends on the order. Doesn't matter too much. Go. I think it was Nolan or someone for 6y squared.
2y and 3y.
2y, 3y. Okay, what else?
1y, 6y.
Okay. And if you really wanted to, you put the negatives, okay? I don't think we need that here.
No.
-4. -2. +2. -1. +4. +1. -4. Okay. Try it out. That's not, you don't multiply 2 5. You multiply these two, add the result, you get 5.
Yeah.
Oh.
6.
You get it? That's something? You get something? You want to try one? No? Zayo. Let's just try it, right? So what do you want to put for the left column? You want to do 6y and y? Yeah? Okay, so we're trying this, okay? So I think as we're trying it out, I don't think you should write it down until we get the right one. All right? Okay, you want to tell me what you want to try on the right side? -1. So -1 up here?
Yeah.
And 4 down here? Okay. So if we multiply across for the 6y times 4, we get 24y, right? Okay, that number is way too big. So we should choose something else. Okay? So I think my suggestion is maybe choose these first. Okay? So if you didn't want the 6 and the 1y, which one should we try to use? 2y and 3y. Which one do you want to put on the top? 2y? 3y? Okay, so if we change it up, and I just want you guys to watch up here, multiply the 2y and the 4, you get 8y. And you multiply -1 and 3, -3y. And you're supposed to add them together, right? Are you sure? Get a +5. You're close. We're close. Switch what? The negatives? Okay. So instead of -1 and +4, you want +1 and -4?
Yep.
Okay. So let's see. What does that do? +2y, -4, -8y. +1, +3y, +3y. Yes. Okay. So even if you fail the first time, do it again. Yeah, do it again. Okay. But if you kind of see the numbers ahead of time and you multiply them, they're going to be too big, then choose the one that you know would think you would think would work. Okay. Okay. So Zael, since you know you're doing well so far, how do we write the solution? Go across in the boxes. So 2y. 2y plus 1 times. Yeah, -4. Good. Is this a little bit better for all of us? Okay. So again, I know this one is another step of difficulty. You got to do a little bit more work. Okay. Try things out. If it doesn't work the first time, rearrange the numbers, choose a different combination, try again. Okay. Okay. Last one, and then I'll let you guys do your work. Okay. So same thing. Maybe let's do the factors together again. But this time it gets a little complicated, okay? Can't you guys see that this 12c squared is a little crazy?
Yes.
Okay, give me some factors.
6c times
6c, 2c, 4c, 3c, and then of course the 12c, 1c. But they make your life a little bit easier with the 5. -5. What do you get for -5?
-5 times 1.
And then 5 and -1. Okay? Okay. Go try it out. water upside down, or you get scared. No, you saw me coming, you're not gonna get scared.
I'm scared.
Oh my god.
Did it work? No?
myself.
It did?
Doesn't it have to be in the middle of the exam?
Oh, I don't know. You can try drinking water like this.
Did you get it ready now?
No, for a hiccup.
Trying to scare the juju guy.
I was trying to fix something.
No, like,
You're gonna choke.
Yeah.
The water's gonna go up and
Oh, extra? So you gotta do it upside down. You get it? Yeah.
that's why I couldn't play on Thursday.
You got it? Ethan, what are you trying right now? Huh? Yeah, but do you do this one? Do you try it yet? Gav, what do you want to try? Okay, so let's go over it together, okay? 6C, 2C. And then? -1, 5. Okay. Yeah, this already gives you 30, right? So let's switch it.
It's the other way.
Other way, like that? Yeah?
I still have to get it.
No?
I put 4C. I put 4C, 3C.
Okay.
What's it called? Yeah.
Oh, no.
Yeah? Do you wanna? Okay, let's change it. 4C, 3C. You want to keep the 5 and the -1 the same? Yeah? Alright, that gives you a -4C. And over here gives you 15C. And do you get positive 11?
Yes.
Yeah, you do.
Why are you looking so hard?
Good.
I didn't see what it was.
Okay, so we write it. I think you guys know this part by now. Right? 3C minus 1. Okay. Done. Good job. Luis, was it your first try? First try? Sometimes you get a first try, sometimes.
Not that I guess it.
Yeah? Okay, so then after that, we're done. Your homework is 1 through 6, but I have like special instructions, okay? And everyone, you have to do this or else I won't stamp your paper tomorrow.
You have to check it?
When I will check it, yes.
No, like we have to check it.
Yeah. Yeah.
You check it. You guys did problem? Did you check out how to do these anyway? I didn't know.
Multiply back. Multiply back. I showed you already from the first one.
Do I have to do these? I didn't.
Just say notebook.
You make the original square that we started with, like the beginning of the chapter.
This?
You wrote these two numbers on top and these two on the side, and you multiply it by 6 times to make the same equation.
Me personally, I would say to
That's
that's a knee slap. No, I said,
And then,
Kiesa.